friend of mine bought this HyperTough toolkit. It's a it says 20 volt max with these batteries. He said you plug it in, pull the trigger, drill doesn't work, none of the tools work, but this light comes on. I test the voltage at the terminals. It says 15.8 volts. Battery's obviously dead. It says the charger shows it as fully charged. The problem with the charger is, if you look at this, the light pattern for plugged in and fully charged is the same pattern. You plug it in and nothing changes. Alright, I'm considering that same light pattern as for just powered on and fully charged, showing the same thing. That's a poor design in my opinion. So I pull the cover off, and right off the bat you can see the fusible link is blown right there. I'll put this into continuity, and you got nothing. No continuity on the fuse. Put it into voltage, go to each terminal of the battery, 20.3 volts, fully charged. Alright, so I put this charger back on. Now I'll put this into amps mode and bridge this fusible link, and the battery starts charging, and according to the amp meter at a little under half an amp. So theoretically, bridge the fusible link with a little bit of solder and everything works, but I'm defeating a safety feature, and you know, why did this fuse blow? I'm going to fix it for my friend because that's what he wanted me to do, but if this thing will take solder. I don't know what kind of metal this is. But it does not appear to take solder. Okay, so what can I do? Can I bridge it? Appeared to hook solder there. Okay, so that's not working. Let's try it to the solder pads. This is silicone wire. Ouch, ouch, ouch. God damn. Okay. If you were to do this, I'm going to say this is not exactly safe. You're defeating a safety feature that's already been activated once. Do I have something that's not metal to push that on there? Okay, that says that's working. Okay, it works. Probably not safe though.